Welcome back, everybody. This is Fox James doing another video, and you can guess what it is. Opening another package. Oh my god! You can guess what that is inside that. It is... Well, actually, let's just take a look at it. I'm gonna get you guys set up here first before I do anything. Yeah. So, let me get me my handy dandy cutting utilities. And, we'll get to opening this son of a bitch. Of course, I know what it is. But do you guys know what it is? Oh, what's that? What is that? What is that? Ha, 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 funny Amazon. Ha. Those are actually the same exact ones I got in my computer right now. But that is funny. So, new addition, more additions to the PC build. You can already guess by this at this point, the start of it. This is a good start, as you can tell. It is the LED Thermalux. Sorry about that. Fans. So, they're all they're blue LEDs. Low noise. I will be installing these first because I know all the other things that I've already done, already have. I can't really install yet. Oh, and I'll also be doing another, I'll also be, how to put this, I'll be giving you guys a little tour of what I got put in it right now, where I'm going to put it, but there's one really important thing for you computer, PC people out there. I'm pretty sure you know exactly what the next thing is going to be because it's one of the expensive things to get. So, ready to take a look at it? Alright. Alright. I'm not teasing you guys. It is MSI symbol. You guys probably know what that is. MSI. MSI Tomahawk. What the heck? MSI Tomahawk Arctic Ryzen capable. Now, this already kind of throws it off of what I'm going to be getting next, because one of the things I will be getting next, because this, I read the follow-ups on it and stuff and all the things that this MSI board only works with the Ryzen processor. So I would have to get the Ryzen processor, or if I try to get anything else, it just would not work to its full potential. Yes, I did my research. So, let's take a look at this. Oh my god, it is beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. It is so beautiful. It's in a bag. Would you look at that? Oh my god. Wow. I'm so lost for words right now. I'm gonna... Oh my gosh. I don't know how to... I don't know how... Wow, that was weird. My phone decided to just cut out on me like that, and even though I have a lot of video time and space, but now that I'm done trolling over that, let's see what other things that the MSI thing gave me. This thing to hold that in. We get the MSI installment disk, motherboard, drivers, and the utilities CD. So I'm pretty sure that this is going to be very important, where we have to install a whole bunch of stuff, and that comes with a book bag. Wow. Thank you for choosing an MSI product. Yes. The quick installation guide. I'm gonna need that. And this is what I'm gonna need for sure. Is this. So I like to get... I'm getting 2 of those RAMs. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but this technically shows you how to put it in, so it's pretty self-explanatory. What other stuff did it come with? Okay, so here's another guide, Tomahawk Arctic User Guide. Probably be very important for me to have this, because this is going to explain everything about where everything goes. Whoa. Okay, yeah, this will definitely explain where everything goes. How to build your PC and all that other stuff. I'm definitely going to need this. My power supply is not going to be located up on the top. It's going to be located on the bottom in its own little shell. So, yeah. Wow, I really got to read this. There's a lot of stuff in here I need to read. Okay, there's that. And it came with these, I forget what these are called, but it comes with two of these cords. One is shorter, and they're the cords for the MSI, the SSD, and the internal drive, hard drive. So that's what I need that for, and I will fancy. Wait, I watched a lot of videos, okay? So I've been doing some research. It does not go in like this. For anybody that's out there, do not put this shining side facing out of the towards the outside. And I'll explain to you why. This comes in first. So that looks about it that I have for right now. I only got so little time right now, and so on my YouTube channel I will do a live stream of what I have over there. So please comment, subscribe, and like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.